A police chase took place in South Florida. Cameras captured several officers pursuing a speeding silver SUV on the road. The vehicle was moving at high speeds, weaving dangerously between other cars, making the traffic situation increasingly hazardous. In the end, police successfully closed in, blocked the SUV, and apprehended the suspect, taking him to the station for processing. Police pursued an Infiniti Q60, speeding on a road in Florida. The suspect did not comply with the police's signal to stop and fled at speeds reaching up to 138 miles per hour. After losing control, the vehicle crashed onto the grassy shoulder and came to a stop. The suspect was arrested at the scene, and police discovered illegal substances, along with a gun modified into a fully automatic weapon inside the car. The investigation revealed that the suspect had previously had his driver's license revoked twice. Police responded to a report of a black Mercedes with the driver and passenger sleeping inside. Upon inspection, officers found both in possession of illegal substances and suspected the driver of driving under the influence. The driver fled the scene despite having punctured tires from spike strips. After being stopped by a pit maneuver, the driver continued running towards an overpass. During the pursuit, the driver pulled out an explosive device and attempted to activate it, forcing police to use force to subdue him. Bomb squads and federal agencies were called to the scene, where they found 2 additional explosive devices in the car. The driver was arrested on multiple charges, including possession of explosive devices, first-degree assault, DUI, possession of a stolen vehicle, and resisting arrest. 1 officer sustained minor injuries. Bank robbery suspects led police on a dramatic chase. The car continued speeding down the highway with blown tires, and the hood popped up, obstructing the driver's view. After driving for a while, the suspects abandoned the car and fled on foot. However, one quickly collapsed while the other was located and apprehended by the police. Witness the tense moment when an entitled biker tries to escape from a Florida trooper in a high-speed chase. The biker makes reckless maneuvers, trying to evade the relentless pursuit of the police. This chase highlights the risks and consequences of reckless driving on the road. As the situation escalates, you'll see how law enforcement responds to dangerous behavior and the importance of obeying traffic laws. In the end, thanks to their intelligence and professionalism, the police successfully apprehended and subdued the biker. A man and a woman fled from Highway Patrol after being reported for a domestic violence incident in West Wendover, Nevada. The vehicle was traveling on Interstate 80 towards Toole, Utah.
And that troop, go ahead and kill your lights back off from it. Let's see if he comes to a stop.
Which tire's up?
I can't tell you that for sure. I'm thinking it's the passenger front, but not 100%.
Copy.
All right, he's starting to throw pretty good amount of smoke.
Oh yeah, he's sparking up here.
Yeah, he's sparking now. He's got a fire.
Police successfully deployed spike strips, causing the car's tires to deflate and start smoking, eventually catching fire.
It looks like they're median. Oh, he's marked. Nice. That's it.
All right, we got a successful pit into the barrier. We do have flames visible.
After performing a pipe maneuver, the vehicle was completely disabled. The fire spread quickly, forcing the two individuals to exit the car, and they were promptly taken into custody at the scene.
All right, be advised, doors open. Driver door open.
Andrew's lit it up at Flyers Mill.
Footage from the Montgomery County Police Department pursuit on December 13th, 2023. In the evening, a white Nissan was attempting to block traffic on the road and in Park Court. The police quickly pursued, with the car weaving through traffic and fleeing despite the pursuit.
Nice. And the left on the front.
414, I'm behind him.
Yeah, I on those down. Left on the wrong way of University, and then we're back on the right way. Hey, patrol, get funny, my car's messing up.
After some time, the vehicle collided and was forced to stop, suffering significant damage. The suspect was immediately surrounded and subdued by the police.
County police, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, get back, 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 get back. Oh, check it out.
Move out. Watch my hands. Moving up.
Hey, put your hands up. Hands up.
up. Keep your hands up.
Hands on. Hands up, hands on, hands on. Yep.
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this, look at this.
A motorcyclist was arrested after performing dangerous stunts and being pursued by the California Highway Patrol at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The chase lasted for some time, but in the end, the police successfully subdued and arrested the rider. Arkansas State Police confirmed that a trooper attempted to perform a tactical vehicle intervention, commonly known as a pit maneuver, during the chase. But the suspect, 50-year-old Antoine Sweezer, wasn't going down easily. He slammed on his brakes, causing the trooper to react quickly before abandoning his vehicle and fleeing on foot. The chase continued through the streets near Glenmere and Boyle Park, where Sweezer was eventually apprehended. After being medically cleared at UAMS, he was transported to the Pulaski County Jail, bringing this intense pursuit to a close. Another dangerous suspect taken off the streets thanks to swift police action. On September 6, 2024, at 9:30 a.m., Trooper Chris Dunham was stationed on Interstate 55 near Blytheville when he spotted a speeding black Mazda CX-5 zooming past at 98 miles per hour in a 75 zone. Trooper Dunham gave chase, activating his lights and siren. The driver, a black male, initially slowed, but then sped up again, reaching 91 miles per hour. He eventually pulled over on South Division Street, but abruptly fled as Trooper Dunham approached. Charged with multiple offenses, including reckless driving, felony fleeing, and drug possession, Hathaway faced a $75,000 bond. All evidence was turned over to Sergeant Joshua Simmons, and the Arkansas State Police will seek restitution for the damages. Thank you for always accompanying us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the brave actions of the police force in maintaining law and order. Wishing everyone safe driving, and see you again.